What do you know about Google customized search engines? Well, if you have a course VLE or website or even a course blog, then you should definitely consider setting up a Google custom search for it. There are several reasons why you need to provide learners with the search engine that they can use on their course web presences. First of all, it will help them locate information faster and without having to leave the page. Second, a Google custom search engine allows you, their learning provider, practitioner, employer, to specify the sites to include within the search. For instance, you can create a search engine that searches only posts and articles from Wikipedia, your website, or any other trusted website that might have some educational value to your learners. In this way, you don't have to worry about learners being lost in a sea of junk websites while conducting their online searches. In good old Blue Peter style, here is one that I made earlier. Well, to be honest, long ago. It's set up to search a range of my web presences. The process of actually creating a Google custom search engine is very easy and simple. And hopefully this video clip will provide a step-by-step guide to help anybody set up a Google custom search engine for their blog and or other web presences. First step is to go over to Google Custom Search. The link is on the page here. You can pause and copy the video, and once you've done that, restart. And then click onto New Search Engine. Don't worry too much about forgetting something at this stage. You can always come back later and delete and or add new resources. As I say, click on the new search engine and you just specify the websites you want. So if I just go back and pinch the address of my website, okay, and also let's go to the RSC Northwest website and copy that and add that. Notice each time I add a site there's space to add another one, and you can add as many or as few as you like. And as I said, don't worry too much about forgetting one. You can add them in later, or if you come across a new site that you think is useful, you can add that in at a later date. This other thing that you can do in this step is to choose the language that you want for your website, and you can also change the name. So this could be, for example, just RSC Northwest search engine. Okay, click create. Just wait for a second. I've created this custom search engine, and as you can see there, there is two ways that you can actually share this search engine. The first one is through the Embed Code, and you just click on Get the Code, copy the code and paste it into your web presence, and the search engine will be available there. And or you can click on Public URL. What happens here is that it will open up, let me just click on it. It opens up Northwest RSC search engine, and the web address at the top up there would be should have left it a bit longer. Okay, the address in the address bar there will be the public link for people to use. Okay, let's just go back. Once you have completed it, if you wish to edit the search engine, you can click on edit the search engine there, or while you're here, if you decide you want to edit, you can click on control panel. Let's go through the edit search engine. It's got a choice here. Look, at the moment it's got RSC Northwest, or it's got mine, the one that's on my website. We'll do the RSC Northwest website. And what we can do is to look at the setup. Okay, where we can change the name. You can add in extra sites. You can click add and add in more. You can change the language. The look and feel is important. Here it allows you to customize the way in which your search engine results will appear, either as an overlay, which is the default, as 2 pages, the full width of the screen, 2 columns, compact, which is ideal obviously if they're going to use mobile phones, whether it's just the results only, and or whether it is Google hosted. You decide and choose for yourself. As I say, there are a number of ways in which this can be edited, but that is how to create a Google custom search engine for your course, blog, website and or other presence. I hope you found that useful. There is more to it, but that's a basic setup which will enable you to have your own search engine in a format like this. That's all from me, John DL, for now. Back with another video clip in the near future.